In this video, you'll see how to connect Monday.com with Microsoft Teams to keep your projects organized and your updates in one place. This quick guide shows how to link your boards, send automatic updates to Teams, and add Monday.com directly to your channels so your team can collaborate more efficiently. Start by logging in to your Monday.com account and opening the board you want to link to Microsoft Teams. Click Integrate in the top right corner of the board. Browse the integration options and select Microsoft Teams. Choose an automation that posts a message to a Teams channel when a new item is created or when a status changes. Sign in to your Microsoft account and approve the permissions to finish connecting the two platforms. Select the Microsoft team and channel where you want updates to be sent. Then save your setup. Next, open Microsoft Teams and go to the team and channel where you want to show the Monday.com board. Click the plus icon at the top of the channel to add a new tab. Search for Monday.com in the apps list and select Add. Log in to Monday.com and pick the board you want to display inside Teams. Click Save to complete the integration. You can also use the Monday.com bot in Microsoft Teams to get personal notifications and quickly share items directly from chat. That's it for this tutorial. You've successfully connected Monday.com with Microsoft Teams and set up everything you need to manage your work more efficiently in one place. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss more productivity and Microsoft Teams tutorials.